Hello and welcome back to the Wow Embossing YouTube channel. My name is Aditi and I'm back with a mixed media inspiration for y'all. So today I will be using the two new release Wow trios. The first one is Sweetie Jar and I am going to be using the Sherbet Fizz and the Marshmallow Fizz colors from this set, and I will be combining that with the Dappled Effects embossing trio, which is Dappled Pink, Peach, and Coral. I really think that all of these colors will work fabulously well together. So to begin with, I am going to lay some Lindy's Magicals on my round canvas. Now the canvas is primed with clear gesso, and I'm just adding two colors here, a light pink and a coral, to give my canvas a nice base coat. I dry the colors with the Wow Embossing heat tool on the first heat setting. Now with that done, time to add texture, and I'm using the Lotsadots stencil by Wow. And what I'm going to do is I will apply embossing ink through the stencil on one half of the canvas with the coral shade and add the two embossing powders Sherbet Fizz and Dappled Peach first over here to give a nice two-toned effect on the dots. And I heat set the embossing powder with the Wow Dual Heat tool using the second heat setting for this. Now with that done, I have beautiful texture, and I repeat the same process on the bottom part of my canvas, and this time I will use the Dappled Pink and the Dappled Coral embossing powder to get a two-toned effect at the bottom as well. Now for a little contrast, I will use a background stamp with black VersaFine ink and just add a little texture, random details here and there to bring in that contrast of the black. With that done, I'm going to use my white acrylic ink and add white splatters to the background at this stage itself, because both the black and the white will help bring the colors of the background to the fore. Now I have this fussy cut window from my stash and I just want to give a nice pink border to it. So I first used the embossing pen where it was light, and so now I'm going back in with the mixed media brush, adding the embossing ink on the border there and using Marshmallow Fizz to heat emboss that and get a nice vibrant pink frame for my window. Now time to layer all the elements, and I'm using lace and lots of flowers here from my stash just to create a beautiful scene. So I will just glue all of these down on the canvas, creating a nice focal composition and, like I said, a beautiful natured inspired scene. Now I want to add a few die cuts. So I have Alexandra Renke die cuts ready here, and I'm going to use the Marshmallow Fizz, the Dappled Pink, and the Sherbet Fizz, along with clear sparkle embossing powder, and heat emboss all of these die cut elements and keep everything ready for me to add them to my composition. Now it's all about adding these die cut elements, so I just glue them to add more detail to the composition, and these gentle touches just add more interest to this entire composition. And now I complete it off with white and golden splatter. To add meaning, I'm just using a phrase here from the Tim Holtz chipboards and adding it to my beautiful scene. So that completes the canvas here. Here is a closer look at all the details, the depth, the dimension, the beautiful texture that I was able to create on the background, as well as the die cut elements, creating a nice, beautiful home decor project. I really hope that you enjoyed this today. And until the next time, take care and bye bye.